a couple of questions on the lid for my tank. So I thought I'd cover this for you real quick. So the place I trained and someone I know locally, and to be fair, I think quite a lot of the guys are just using Celitex, the big thick stuff. So it keeps the heat in, obviously it does the job. Personally, I don't like the idea of it. It can get wet, it breaks. So I posed the question on Facebook because it's fantastic if you need any help. And someone mentioned polycarbonate. Didn't know what they meant, so they pinged me across some details and I created this. So polycarbonate is the stuff they use on the roofs. Ordered in some edging, cut it to size. So I ordered it obviously too big and it fits perfectly, just on the edges, all the way down. So put the edging on, put the polycarbonate on, make sure it all fit obviously. Ordered in some handles, they're just bolted in. What I'll do is I'll quickly lift the lid up, which hooks, see you've got a hook, where are we, there and there. It just hooks onto them with the handles, so I'll do that now. Ta-da! So yeah, it's hooked up on the wall. As you can see, it's mega lightweight, so you can actually see through it. It's really super light. So it's just enough gap there to work with. I haven't got to fanny around with it basically. And then I've put some, I don't know if you can really see it, I just use some clear waterproof sealant to go around the edges, keep everything tight. So that keeps the heat in, keeps it clean, stops all the dust going in there, and in all honesty, it's probably one of the best things I made, because obviously I've done everything myself. Whilst we're on the subject, wrapped it up in some thermal wrap, and that seems to be doing a pretty good job too. So generally, if I want to dip in the evening, then when I come back from work, I'll come in and put the tank on maybe 5 o'clock, and it's ready to work with within 2 hours maybe. It retains the heat really, really well. If I haven't used it for a while, in fact I haven't used this for over a week due to other things going on. So I run at 28 degrees, we're at 20. So it's kept in the heat really well, 8 degrees over a week. So yeah, polycarbonate, I think it's the way forward.